What's going on, guys? It's Mr. Brittlebone himself, Aaron from Tardy Productions, broke off yet again. I ended up injuring my shoulder in a wheelie accident. It wasn't that bad, it was in the yard. Not the end of the world, I will be back on the bike soon. But for now, I want to show you guys a video that we shot actually a few months ago. Probably 6 months ago, actually. This build was on a Honda Rebel. It's a 2006. We got it for $160. Today, the video that we'll be showing you is the entire process of redoing this bike. And just to show you how doable this project is for you, my girlfriend with no mechanical experience is going to be doing the entire rebuild. I will be doing the painting and reupholstering, but everything mechanical, she's gonna do. Stay tuned to the end of the video to find out what the current state of the bike is. It's not good. And also how much money we put into the bike in total. It might surprise you, it sure surprised me. I mean, I'm kind of shocked. Either way, enough talking about it. I'm gonna go ice my arm. Cue the intro. Pretty fancy.
Months later.
The bike turned out pretty nice, didn't it? I mean, I really liked it. It wasn't for everybody, but it's definitely a cool bike for her to have been able to ride around. Now, we had it for a few months like that, and it was in great shape, running, super awesome. And then I started riding it, and just come with me, let me show you what it looks like right now. Let's turn on the lights. This is the current state of the bike right now. Front tires off, tubes blown. There's no tank. Yeah, it's definitely rough. The batteries been ripped out of it. There's just so much wrong with it. So I ended up buying another tank for it because we had to use the old one on a bike I sold. Only $200 to redo this entire thing, and that's right, $200. $40 for parts, carb cleaner, all that stuff, paint, everything included, $160 for the bike. This thing has a title and is technically street legal if we just put turn signals and a brake light on the back. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the rebuild on this. I'm Aaron, this is Tardy Productions. My arm really hurts.